Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by minimizing damage. Stop using the phone so deleted contacts aren't overwritten. Once done, switch to airplane mode and turn off cloud sync. This preserves residual data. Make sure you have the device model, OS version, and a USB cable ready. These determine which recovery tools will work. Next, enable developer options if needed and connect via USB for a stable link. I'll explain which tools to run and why specific settings prevent permanent loss. Now you perform a methodical scan. Start with a logical extraction. This reads the contact database without altering device storage. If that fails, a physical scan recovers deleted records from unallocated space. It's slower but more thorough. While scanning, filter for VCF, CSV, or SQLite contact tables because these contain names, numbers, and timestamps. Make sure to export recovered items to your computer first. You'll then clean duplicates and verify entries before re-importing to avoid corrupting your live address book. Finish by importing the cleaned VCF or CSV file into your Contacts app or your cloud account. This restores sync across devices. Once imported, verify names, country codes, and remove duplicates. Make sure default dialing formats are correct. If some contacts remain missing, repeat the scan with a different tool or attempt a deeper physical dump. Sometimes a second pass recovers stragglers. If recovery still fails, consider professional data recovery. Explain what you tried and don't overwrite the device to preserve remaining recoverable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.